If you are new here, I'm Nico, a French content creator living in Vancouver, Canada, documenting my journey to build my ideal life through consistent actions. This week was about structure, training, and focus, building habits, organizing my life, and getting back into flow after a busy month. Let's get into the week. Monday, I started the week at the gym. Small improvements on my shoulders, and progress is stacking. I sent back the translation quote for our wedding documents and began preparing everything for the town hall in France. The rest of the day was deep work, blocking distractions, editing videos, and finishing tasks. Dinner was simple, egg and steak. The goal now, get leaner, stay consistent, and move forward. Tuesday, I invested in my retirement fund and sold some cryptocurrencies to cover the wedding costs and taxes, as well as upcoming expenses. At the gym, I did trap bar deadlift at 185 pounds. Form and energy felt great. I finally bought DaVinci Resolve Studio. Time to level up my editing workflow and get more creative. Wednesday, another solid morning workout, squat this time. Had a quick free chiropractor session at the Yard Athletic. Then restock my supplements, selenium, CoQ10, HMB, and vitamin D3 with K2. The focus now is optimizing my health and preparing my body for the future. Thursday, I completed my anger management course, and the key lesson: slow down, breathe, and stay calm. We can't control what happens, only how we respond to it. I finished editing episode 15 and 16 of the Journey series and planned my next uploads. It was a rest day from the gym, just focus, reflection, and peace. Friday, I trained in the morning, pushed harder than usual with over 20 total sets. I'm refining my split to do every muscle at least twice a week and to keep progressing. At night, we went to a Halloween party with friends, a good reminder that discipline and fun can coexist. Saturday, a slower start. I journaled and went to the WeWork in the afternoon, but I wasn't productive. I've been late filming and editing, but posting 4 episodes in 2 weeks reminded me it's not about perfection, it's about momentum. At night, we watched a documentary and had a restful night. Sunday, I ran 10K in Stanley Park, pushed a bit of zone 4 and 5. My legs were tired, but that's how they get stronger. After the run, I meal prepped for the week. Chicken, rice, and veggies. We had lunch at a Moroccan restaurant and finished the night with a movie. That's it for week 20. Training, reflection, and family. Stacking small wins and living intentionally. If you are on your own journey, keep showing up. Follow the journey, and I will see you next week.